하이니시니 스페셜 type relation को इतारगति कर्म मुख्य relation हो हाइब्रिड हाइब्रिड को जिको the alpha set A जिको we call it as a domain set B जिको we call it as a codomain and this is called function F is a function है function है ताकि क्या है ताकि बाकी relation से special type of relation but the special type of relation ने क्या particularly for each and every element of the set A. For each and every element of the set we have the domain element there exists a unique image in the set B. Now, we have relation to the set and is a Cartesian product of the regular subjects. But look at without subsets, what is subsets to? Cartesian product subsets to. But we don't want to buy marker relation. So don't be now. I do function in the other. Function in the for each and every element of the set A, there exists a unique element in the set B. Why is it get that? Aduki Makalki, Makalki functions we have two types. Function differential. That we call it as a type. Type of the terminology kinds of terminology is a big part of one. Types the one type one correspondence. Among the way we call it as an injective. Onto many one onto. Onto we have a subjective. One so onto then we call it as bijective. Injective, subjective, bijective have a terms. Domain culture please register to your brain. Your mind is objective. One have to so they are functions cycle in the right hand side of my hand ID body right side students in students in say mapping get that one correspondence story. See, this is called the codomain. Codomain is the one so I did on two level. One on two. Get that injective plus subjective bijective. In case now comes to one another, you can normalize. This is the domain or unique image unique way unique I know, God says something like that. See parts of the see home see my arms, then it's called many one correspondence to one from the other. But that is like injective or down seasonal dog. Many one. There you go. Then many one see Matunga, of the question, one kange, on two kange, many one kange. Anyone want to? One want to? Anyone want to? Then in two, into 하면서 그러니까 할 것이다. 시기 투나 어디를 도메인 지나 손다 레바바. 아이 손다 매핑 더 릴레이션 그냥 안 해요. 봐. 손다 이게 왜 하세요? 그거 하려고. I only talk to you. Not a single elements in the domain cannot be left out. However, it should have image. Unique image like it. How do you say? Each and every element will set as it will have a unique image like it. Like that. Then I know how to do that. Ini jangan lemong boleh ina. So nak ni kau domain sudah lemong boleh ina. Lemong boleh ina. One saya lem dah boleh kayak je. On two into hari ni. One on two. Many one. Lem kan itu hari juga. Lem jangan kau tu hari. Kau cik mesti kelas aku beri kami. What we have learned today. Sigi macam cerita lagi bah domain instruksi dah aku ini mapping tu dulu tu ya deh. Kami tu hangat tu di tahu sudah hangat. Yang dah dah. Aduh apa makum se in order to learn functions we are learning right from set. Set the Cartesian product. Cartesian product is relation. Then comes to function. Next comes to the types of function. Types of function is type. Yang dah dah. Ini yang interesting mana tak ada di report sila kayak orang kinds of functions yang tak ada. Why am I very much interested in this kinds of function? Because there is a function called undefined function. Yang dah dah. There is a function called undefined function. That undefined function here, masih matinga we are learning these limits. I think calculus. Calculus orang tu limit tahu je lah. Limit tu differentiation, integration, differentiation. Class 12 की mathematics में अच्छा वो बोली है मुझे कि मक्खों वही बात या मरु वही पॉइंट से मरु वही पॉइंट से कहीं बाहर का क्या different function. The function dah mulai kan jauh si calculus tu je. Ai je mana concept jadi this is very important yang mereka. So I bisa kita sahatra sahih 30 here kita mesti dah betul betul kita sahatra sing yang successful only 10% for the start. Now program. But I'm not a good student. Already I was not. Okay. But I produced a lot of 10% students in my life. Yeah, now I see logic should die. I know you. I don't know how already. Calculus, mathematics mathematics you can score high mark in physics because physics is the language of mathematics is the language of physics. And everything, so many similar topics are included, and will be highly used all the mathematical theorems, terms, everything similar. Vector similar to physics. Differentiation similar to dimension similar to then when you are using this logarithm, sequence and series, physics kamu kan dulu itu macam si mathematics ayam macam yang sama mathematics jauh sudah nak punya kawan itu physics kan bingung sih itu uniform. Ada musuh sama musuh kok. Adalah dua mathematics macam kata apa? If you put some effort in mathematics, then you can learn physics very easily, and you can understand physics and chemistry. This is language hand. Language kan, English kan, kalau we like them yang apa? Yang English mana lah iba, agak apa di history kita parah, sahaja kita tidak tahu. Yang saya kau. So, my dear students, coming to the undefined function. Undefined function itu kayak bukan rekod. We have learned all about functions, definitions, and these types of functions. Now, coming to the types of functions, I am telling you undefined function. And the functions of that types are like modulus function, signum function, greatest integer function, smallest integer function. Function में हम देख रहे हैं, like क्या? देखिए modulus हम देख रहे हैं तो वहाँ से देख रहे हैं तो हाई polynomial function करते हैं तो constant function तो क्या सी में हम सी मरता फाइटी मरु होगा फाइटी वही बहुत ही मरु है but ऐसा back for channel or the fighting mode report See, this you will not get from the textbook. In the teacher textbook out there. Only in some books. I have seen it in other one. They take the record. But I couldn't come to the report. Jangan masih tak pilih. Aku waktu perjalanan tak pilih yang masih apa dulu sebenarnya kanji. And divine consistency kita kata cap mana bahawa masing ani general kita. When you divide the same number,
1.
0 the 0 the yellow kita. 1 see thousands times 1 to the power thousands kita.
1.
1 tak ada. 1 to the power thousand go. Takkan tu bukan kalau kita siapa di sini malam tu. 1 to the power thousands so 1 to the power lakhs you will get 1. But 1 to the power infinity kita ni.
0.
Lain itu lain. Atau kan itu posisi lain kalkulus tak boleh itu lain itu level. 11 ini kamu sedang. And anything to the power 0 equal क्या था?
1.
0 to the power 0 क्या था? Infinity का डिनर क्या था? Selangor sebelum dari infinity, tengok sebelum dari infinity, ada डिनर का infinity tak tahu itu.
Tani.
But my question is infinity minus infinity क्या था?
0.
Sudah ada infinity hari ini count to urutkan sudah sekarang count to kalau itu mana tu ya, ini apa ya? Tengok nama dia. Aku sekarang aku boleh. Tapi 0 का मशीन में पुलिस क्या था?
0.
0 infinity क्या था?
0.
Infinity to power infinity. Atau main tu berani jangan juga bayang singko. Hei, kalian, tahu? Ayo jangan juga singko. That is undefined function. That undefined function we call it as a indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Masa kandil. So far, even the scientists cannot. Even the computers cannot find the value of pi. Pi value to go on 8.1416. Nada. Decimal places to go on the kind of time is CBC class, class, nothing over technology up to our decimal places of